Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how you can recover data from a Samsung SD card that is showing errors when you're trying to access the data on it. So it doesn't matter how serious the issue is, but with the help of a good recovery software that is specifically designed for your Samsung SD card, you can make sure that all the data from your Samsung SD card is recovered back and restored to a safe folder. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'll make use of recovery software which you can download by just visiting this link and hitting on the download now button for your Windows as well as for your Mac OS. The software is specifically designed for your Samsung SD card and will recover back photos, videos as well as music files from it in just a matter of seconds. I'll quickly run the software on my Samsung SD card and I'll show you how you can recover data using this software. Okay, after you've installed the software, just launch it on your computer. And here's how the main screen of this software looks like. All you'll see are just three buttons on the right side of this software. They are recover files, recover photos, and recover drives. So in order to recover data from your Samsung SD card, click on this blue option that you see here, that is recover photos. This option will let you recover photos, videos, as well as all the audio files that were lost or even deleted from your SD card. I'll click this option, and on next screen I can select the first option to recover the deleted data from my Samsung SD card, or else I can go with the second option which lets me recover the lost data from my SD card. If you think you've lost data from your SD card due to an error, then you can go with the second option. However, in this video I'll recover back the deleted data from my SD card, so I'll go with the first option here. And here I'll select the SD card that I've connected to my computer. Here you can see that I'm selecting my Samsung SD card, and I'll proceed further by clicking on the next button. And here I can select the file type that I'm looking to recover. For this video I'll just recover back the photos from my SD card, so I'll come to picture and select JPG file extension here. This will make sure that only the photos are recovered back from my SD card. Else, to recover back the entire data from my SD card, I can click on the skip button, which will make sure that all the data from my SD card will be recovered back. Now I've just selected the JPG file extension, so I'll just recover back the JPG photos from my Samsung SD card. I'll proceed further by clicking on the next button. And now the software begins to recover back the deleted JPG photos from my Samsung SD card. And as you can see here, the software has already begun the recovery process, and this will take a few minutes, so I'll just wait for the recovery to complete, after which I'll be presented with all the data that was recovered from my SD card. And we're done with the recovery process, and these are all the files that we recovered from my SD card. As I said before, I'll be recovering back only the JPG photos from my SD card. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to file type view and I'll select JPG file extension here. This will make sure that only the JPG photos are selected to a safe folder on my computer. I'll proceed further, and here I'll select a folder to save all the recovered photos. I'm selecting a folder on my desktop and I'll click on OK. And here you can see that the software has now begun to save back all the recovered photos to this folder. I'll just wait for the saving process to complete, after which the software will take me directly to the folder where all the recovered photos are saved to. And we're done with the saving process, and here's the folder to which all the recovered photos are saved to. And these are all the photos that were recovered from my SD card. So it's just simple to recover back photos or any other data from your Samsung SD card after encountering issues or errors on your SD card. As you could see, it just took me a few minutes to recover back all the data from my SD card. So if you all lost data from your Samsung SD card, then there's nothing to worry about. Just get the software from the link that I provided below and start to recover back all your data. Anyway, thanks for watching.